52 Las Vegas Tower, thanks for the help. You followed an Airbus 12 o'clock. I just spoke to him as they slowed all the way down, but I was trying to keep them fast for you. 12 o'clock, 2.5 mile, runway 26 left, clear to land, square wings 562.
26 left, clear to land, 562.
52, like I said, if you need it out there, it'd be S turn to the left. If you need it, 122013, gust 20.
562.
26 right, kind of ground, 121.1 when able.
Cross 26 right and over to ground 210 American 1592.
21.1, thanks for that.
Sorry, 121.1 American 1592.
2429 Las Vegas Tower, you up? Las Vegas, how's it going? Las Vegas Tower, like I said, probably about 2.5 minutes.
For 219 X-ray, Las Vegas Tower, cross runway 19 right, hold short, runway 19 left, expected to depart from runway 19 left.
Okay, cross the 19 right, hold short, 19 left, 19 X-ray.
429 Las Vegas Tower.
That was 2429, where 4 miles is.
429 Las Vegas Tower, make 26 left, closing land, Spirit slowed all the way down right there, so I don't know if they're going to help you out. Like I said, be S turn to the left if you need it.
Alright, we're slowed we can get southwest 2429.
LI 602, crossing make 26 right, kind of ground, 121.1.
Beyond 17 Alpha, Las Vegas Tower, Caldwell. Stand by 1 moment.
Southwest 2429, yeah, we'll take 26 right.
429, keep the speed up, runway 26 right, change runway 26 right, runway 26 right, clear the land.
Clear land 26 right, southwest 2429. Tower southwest 1966, 26 left. Keep your speed up, clear to land 26 left, southwest 1966.
RLF 602, turn right on Alpha, hold short Alpha 4.
For me, that'd be great.
We got it, this is 695, be good.
Great, thank you, sir. Papillon 50 Alpha, radar contact there, Caldwell.
Caldwell, 50 Alpha.
602 for us?
602, turn right on taxiway Alpha. Oh, actually, 602, hold short runway 26 right, you're fine, hold short runway 26 right.
Are you holding turn on 26 right, now let me check it.
Good day.
Number 1, runway 26 left. Runway 562, hold behind Aero Lasses.
Behind Aero Lasses, bearing 562.